Friends, circle LAQ. Here given question. Find the transverse common tangent of the circles x square plus y square minus 4x minus 10y minus 28 equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, it's important for IPE. Now solution here. Given circles are, let's suppose first circle is S x square plus y square minus 4x minus 10y plus 28 equal to 0. Now second circle S dash equals x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 4 equal to 0. Now from S equal to 0 implies center of the first circle C1 is, from given equation we get 2 comma 5, and radius of a circle is denoted as R1 is equal to G square plus F square minus C is equal to under root of G square. G square value G equal to minus 2 whole square is 4 plus F value is minus 5 whole square is equal 25. Now C value here minus 20, sorry, plus 28, so minus C, so here minus 28 is equal to 1. 29 minus 28 is 1, root 1 equal to 1, so R1 equal to 1. Now consider S dash equal to 0 implies C2, center of the second circle is minus 2 comma 3 and radius R2 is equal to G square plus F square minus C, where G equal to 2 and F equal to minus 3. 2 square is 4, minus 3 whole square is 9, and C equal to plus 4. So, but here minus C, so minus 4, 4 cancel, then we get 3. Radius R2 is equal to 3. R1 equal to 1. Now consider distance between two centers of the circles S equal to 0 and S dash equal to 0, that is C1 C2 is equal to C1 C2 equal to formula root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, now here x1 is 2, y1 is 5, x2 is minus 2, y2 equal to 3. Substitute here is equal to under root of minus 2 whole square is minus 4 whole square plus 3 minus 5 is minus 2 whole square, then we get C1 C2 is equal to root 16 plus 4 is equal to root 20, and sum of the radius R1 plus R2 equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Clear here C1 C2 is not equal to R1 plus R2. In this case, given circles do not touch each other, there exist four common tangents. They are two are transverse common tangents, two are direct common tangents. Here given question, find the transverse common tangents. Here P divides C1 C2 in the ratio M1 is to equal to R1 is to R2 internally. Okay, let here P x comma y be ICS internal center of similitude, and it is divides C1 C2 in the ratio m is to n is equal to R1 is to R2 internally, then we get m is to n equal to R1 value is 1, R2 value is 3, 1 is to 3. Now using section formula we get px comma y. So px comma y equal to formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n is equal to m value 1 into x2 value minus 2 plus 3 into x1 value 2 by 1 plus 3 comma 1 into y2 is 3 plus 3 into y1 is 3 by 1 plus 3 is equal to px comma y is equal to, okay, simplify the okay, here simplify the above values. We get 1 comma 9 by 2 is the internal center of similitude is ICS. Now write the equation of common tangent of given two circles. First let m be slope of common tangents of given two circles. Then implies write equation of the common tangent y minus y1 is equal to m into, so implies y minus y1 value is x1 is y1 equal to 9 by 2 and x1 is 1, 9 by 2 is equal to m into x minus 1. Now simplify the equation, we get 2mx minus 2y plus 9 minus 2m is equal to 0. Let is equation number 1. Okay, since equation number 1 is tangent of either s equal to 0 or s dash equal to 0. Okay, in both cases we have two conditions. They are r1 equal to d or r2 equal to d, where d is the perpendicular distance from center to the tangent equation number 1. So here consider first one is a r1 equal to d, is a d equal to length of the perpendicular or perpendicular distance from center of the first circle c1 2 comma 5 to the tangent equation number 1. So r1 value is 1 equal to mod 2m into 2 minus 2 into 5 plus 9 minus 2m by under root of 2m whole square is 4m square plus 2 square is 4. Okay, now cross multiply, then 1 into root 4m square plus 4 is equal to mod 4m minus 10 plus 9 minus 2m. We get mod 2m minus 1. Root 4m square plus 4 equal to mod 2m minus 1 Now squaring on both sides, then we get 4m square plus 4 is equal to 4m square in right side also 4m square plus 1 minus 4m on both sides 4m square cancel, then we get slope m equal to minus 3 by 4. Okay, one more slope m equal to infinity, that is 1 by 0 consider. Okay, here two cases there. First one, case 1, if m equals minus 3 by 4, okay, tangent is passing through ICS. Your ICS value is 1 comma 9 by 2. Okay, now write the equation of tangent. Equation of the tangent y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, substitute above values here. Y minus y1 is 9 by 2 equals minus 3 by 4 into x minus 1. Now simplify the above equation, then we get tangent equation 3x plus 4y minus 21 equal to 0 is equation of the tangent transverse common tangent TCT1. Okay, same as case 2, if m equal to 1 by 0 and p is 1 comma 9 by 2. Okay, now write equation of the tangent y minus y1 is 9 by 2 is equal to 1 by 0 into x minus 1, then we get x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, is another common tangent, transfer common tangent TCT2.